Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to perform exchange using Skrill website. By exchange I mean for fiat currencies. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is, don't forget we're using the website, so you're going to log into your Skrill account on the Skrill website. Then once you are in, you go to click on the three lines on the top left corner. Let's do that again. Three lines on the top left corner, then you click on transfer. Now once you click on not transfer, you click on exchange. You transfer from an exchange, so you click on exchange. As you can see, I do not have sufficient funds, so I will have to fund the account, but I believe you should have sufficient fund before you decide to perform an exchange. So we do have sufficient fund. Once you click on that exchange, the next thing you need to do is select the currency you want to exchange from, that is your source currency. Then you're going to select the currency you want to exchange to, that is your target currency. Then enter the amount you wish to convert. And once you've done that, you will see a preview of the exchange rate and the estimated amount you receive in the target currency, along with any applicable fees. Review the details carefully and then click on confirm or a similar button to complete the exchange. It's as simple as that. Now there are some key points you need to understand. You see, when you exchange currency, Skrill creates a new secondary balance in your account for the new currency. You can hold multiple currency balances in your Skrill wallet. Next, Skrill applies their own exchange rates, which may include a markup compared to the mid-market rate. You will also likely be charged a transaction fee for the exchange. These fees and the applied exchange rate will be clearly displayed before you confirm the transaction, so check it out very well. Next, Skrill generally does not limit the number of secondary currency balances you can hold or the number of exchange transactions you can make. It's as simple as that. Oh, please note that the full exchange functionality is typically available on the Skrill website. So while the mobile app allows you to view balances, the exchange feature might be more limited or only available on the web version. Ensure your Skrill account is fully verified to access all exchange features. Always review the fees and exchange rates before confirming any exchange transactions because they can fluctuate. So it's as simple as that.